Well, the thing that I see about the world, what it should be, it's all question of imagination.
Today, I am honored to talk about a remarkable person from Bangladesh, Dr. Muhammad Yunus. He is not just a hero in our country, but a global citizen who has shown us how one idea can change the world. Dr. Yunus is special because he is the only person from Bangladesh to win a Nobel Prize.
Yearning for a new way of lifting people out of poverty, he revolutionized banking to allow low-income borrowers access to credit. In the process, he has enabled citizens of the world's poorest countries to create profitable businesses, support their families, and help build sustainable communities. In doing so, Muhammad Yunus has unleashed new avenues of creativity and inspired millions worldwide to imagine their own potential.
He did not win it for science or literature, but for peace. Yes, peace. You might wonder how he did that. The answer is simple yet powerful through his idea of the Gramine Bank. The Gramine Bank is not like other banks. Most banks lend money to people who already have a lot. But Dr. Yunus thought differently. He believed in the power of the poor. He saw that with a little help they could change their lives. So he started giving small loans to poor people, especially women, without asking any security. This idea was called microcredit. What makes Dr. Yunus different is his beliefs in people. He showed the world that poor people are not without hope. They are just without opportunities. By giving them small loans, he gives them a chance to start their own business, earn their own money, and stand on their own feet. But Dr. Yunus didn't stop there. He also started many other projects to help people. He worked on projects to bring solar energy to villages without electricity, improve healthcare, and even make yogurt to fight child malnutrition. All his work is about helping others and making the world a better place. Dr. Yunus teaches us an important lesson about global citizenship. He shows us that to make a big difference in the world, you don't need to be rich or powerful. You just need to care about others and try to help them in any way you can. Dr. Muhammad Yunus is not just a pride of Bangladesh but an inspiration for the whole world. He reminds us that we all have the power to change the world, one small steps at a time. Let us all be inspired by his work and strive to be a global citizen who make the world a better place for everyone. Thank you for listening, guys.